Hi, I'm Jennifer Tryon, and today I'm using the 12 by 12 folding ruler from Threaders. It literally does fold, but it's also super practical. I'm going to show you how to cut with this. So bring in your cutting mat. So you can see on one side of the ruler, all the markings are dark, and on the other side it's light. This is great for being able to see the lines on both light and dark fabric. I can easily see the white dotted lines here, but it's much more difficult to see the dark lines when I've got a dark fabric underneath. So this ruler gives you both options. Love that. What's also really cool is if you fold the ruler in half and run it across its diagonal, it becomes an 18-inch long ruler. So even bigger cuts can be made. This ruler is also great for cutting bias strips. See, when it's folded in half, you can see the markings every inch. Push over the desired number of inches. So if we want a 1-inch strip, a 2-inch strip, a 3-inch strip, I use a lot of 2.5-inch strips for bindings. So now all I need to do is follow that line over 1, 2.5 for the perfect 2.5-inch strip. And this way it's going to be cut on the bias. And I'm not having to rotate my ruler or try to match lines up on the mat. It makes much easier work of it. This ruler is also great for squaring up those quilt blocks. Because it's nice and big, you can get an accurate corner and really see where you need to true up. Another great way to use this ruler is for half square triangles and quarter square triangles. Start off with a strip as wide as you want your triangle to be. Once I've got my strip, I can just fold the ruler and then measure along the dash lines and cut for the perfect half square triangle. This also works for quarter square triangles. Unfold it on your same strip, follow the dashed lines, line your previous point up perfectly with the dashed lines, and cut. And don't forget this time to cut on both sides. Just lining up the dash marks, cut, cut, and now look. Just alternate the colors and you will have perfect quarter square triangles. See the difference between the half and the quarter square? So a ruler as versatile as this one quickly has become one of my sewing necessities.